Hey, miners and friends, this is Will from the Polish Miner. So, Chain of Blocks, Jason of the Chain of Blocks is somebody I watch regularly when it comes to XRP news and various other things. As you can see, he's been hearing rumors on XRP being blocked by BlackRock, following it closely. Okay, he would think if something solid comes up, right? He'll be the first one to know the solid comes up. Well, I follow the link, obviously. Okay, trying to make this as fast as I can. And you can see here's the article investing.com. When I go over to investing.com, BlackRock rumored to shift crypto focus from Bitcoin to XRP. This would make a lot of sense, in my opinion. Okay, just on that title alone, and I'll say why real fast. I don't care about this guy down here in the corner. He's going to go away. Sorry, he's getting annoying. It would make sense because they're a big bank or a big hedge fund, and they need to be fast transactions, fast moves. And Bitcoin, honestly, the last I checked, unless I'm going to be corrected, which is okay, we're all here to learn, is slower than XRP. XRP, the fees are lower. And when it comes to tokenization of the stock exchanges, NASDAQ, NYSE, Chicago Board of Mercantile or the Board of Trade, where you're doing futures markets, they want instantaneous stuff. So it clears faster. So your ACH funds, instead of taking 1 to 3 days to close, it's closed within seconds. Okay. I hope you're tracking this because this is how stocks are. This is why a lot of people trade on margin, because the money isn't always readily available because how slow the banks move to get it to the Fed and so on and back. I do believe it's supposed to be within 24 hours. However, the Fed's going to make their money on it, and the banks in between always have to make their money. So I'll read this real quick. In the ever-evolving crypto landscape, rumors that BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager with over $9 trillion in assets under management, may be reassessing its digital strategy. The financial giant speculated to be considering a shift focus from Bitcoin, the leading digital currency, to XRP, a digital asset known primarily for its payment protocol. There's been a lot of talk about this recently, and a lot of countries are using XRP to do international money transfers. I think Japan was on that list. I don't know. I have to go back and look. But several factors are believed to be driving this speculative shift, including the regulatory environment surrounding cryptocurrencies, advancements in technology, and a possible intention to diversify their digital asset portfolio. So this kind of gives me a hint about what some of us were talking about earlier about, do they own Bitcoin or not? Obviously, I'm going to take that as yes, they do. Okay. Several factors are believed to be driving this speculative shift, including the changing regulatory environment surrounding cryptocurrencies, advances in technology. I already did that. Okay. Advances in technology and possible attention. Well, these rumors remain unconfirmed. There we go. They could carry substantial implications for broader digital asset landscape if proven accurate. XRP is steadily gaining traction in financial circles due to its potential applications in various financial services, particularly in cross-border transactions. I just mentioned that. The pivot by BlackRock towards XRP could mean not only increase the digital asset market value, but could also significantly enhance its credibility within the financial services sector. Here's what I'm going to mention about this. All this makes sense. I've been hearing this for, oh God, now 4, 5, 6 months, right? If not longer. What happens here is that if they buy XRP or they get a hold of it, XRP is supposed to do an IPO, and I love XRP. Shares being traded on the market. So the valuation is like some ridiculous number in the billions. So BlackRock could easily put this out into an IPO for XRP, the company, Okay. And with you put that valuation with the valuation of what XRP currently is, shares, IPO and the digital asset, it, it, it let's just say it scales some walls. Okay. The possible shift in BlackRock's investment strategy could also reflect a broader market trend as the current cryptocurrency landscape matures. Both retail and institutional investors are increasingly diversifying their portfolios to include a variety of digital assets. This development potentially opens up opportunities for alternatives to Bitcoin, which, despite being a pioneer in the crypto world, has grappled with challenges related to scalability and environmental concerns. So they were here's the thing. So the whole ESG thing, BlackRock's going to make that go away. These big banks or hedge funds or asset managers are going to make it go away. The ESG is going to be acceptable in the ESG thing, but dryers won't. Yes, I'm referring to a conversation about something earlier in the week. So with that being said, okay, I'm looking at this as a positive for a lot of reasons. However, XRP itself is proof. It's not a proof of work coin or token. It is definitely proof of stake in that sense. So, do you believe you can in a couple of different places you could stake XRP, but I'm not real clear on that. The bottom line is that this is very interesting. So BlackRock, from what I got in this article, they're interested in cross-border payments, which I'm well aware of that because they have a lot of money to move and they want to move it fast. They're not necessarily getting away from Bitcoin, but it tells me in the article that they've been buying Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So they have a portfolio out there, which is proving the fact in the conversation earlier. It was more of a question / statement, but here it is. BlackRock is the big dog in this whole thing. So with that being said, currently what I've got running in the pool right now is Litecoin, Doge, and CKB and Cadena. Let's see where we're at here real quick. Yeah, about real time, about 500 mega hash on Litecoin and Doge. It's just DX pool. So anyway, you guys, this has been very interesting to say the least. Bitcoin, the last I checked, let's bring that up real quick. I'm not really doing much anything here. Is 26,604, down about 0.1%. So we're still kind of trading sideways, but at least it's over 26,000. Okay, and XRP, which is right down here since we just looked at, is down 1% at right around 49.50 cents, which it lost all its gains after the big decision earlier this year, right? So it's where it was before all that happened, but we are in a bear market, so take it for what it is. And my favorite one right now that you can mine, scrolling down, scrolling. Oh, SIACoin, I like that too. You can see that's even down almost 10%. Then Caspa. Caspa is currently down 5.6% now. Okay, at 4.66 cents. Okay, so you guys, miners, friends, have a great evening, morning, or whatever you do, and it's always great to see you in my live chats and live streams and whatnot. Take care of yourselves, be safe out there, and whatever you do, make money. See you. Thanks for stopping.